Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS Bedrock for AI chatbot deployment step by step clearly. To configure AWS Bedrock for AI chatbot deployment, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Bedrock service in the AWS console. On the Bedrock dashboard, click on Create a new model. Select the appropriate AI model that fits your chatbot's requirements. Review the model details and click on Next. Now, configure the model settings, including input and output parameters. Set the desired instance type based on performance needs. Specify the number of instances required for your deployment. Next, set up the security options. Choose an IAM role that grants Bedrock the necessary permissions. If you do not have a suitable role, create a new IAM role with the required policies. Proceed to configure networking options. Select the VPC and subnets where the AI chatbot will operate. Make sure to enable public access if needed, depending on your use case. After finalizing the networking settings, review your choices. Click on Launch Model to initiate the deployment process. Once the model is launched, go to the Endpoints section to create a new endpoint. Click on Create Endpoint and select the model you just deployed. Configure the endpoint settings according to your requirements. Set the desired capacity for the endpoint based on expected traffic. Finally, once everything is set, click Create Endpoint to complete the setup. After a few moments, your endpoint will be ready for use. You can now test the endpoint using sample input data. Ensure that the chatbot is able to process the input and return appropriate responses. If everything is functioning as expected, your AWS Bedrock configuration is now complete for AI chatbot deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.